On April 20th, 2023, officers responded to a disturbing domestic violence call after a father reported that his son had allegedly assaulted him during an argument inside their home. What began as a dispute over a television remote quickly escalated into claims of threats, a screwdriver, and a physical confrontation. As officers worked to determine what really happened, they soon came face to face with the son himself.
So what, he got you with the screwdriver or
Well,
something?
he attacked me with a screwdriver and he beat me on the face. You know,
With the screwdriver or with his hand or
No,
something?
he had a screwdriver in his hand. He didn't stab me with it.
No, oh, was it? Oh,
But he came at me with it.
Yeah, but how did he get the gash on your hand?
He punching me.
Punching you with the screwdriver, with the screwdriver or with his hand,
I
or with the butt end of the screwdriver? Or
I think just with his hand. He had a screwdriver in the other hand.
Okay, but he
didn't stick me with that, but he kept coming at me with it.
What do you mean coming
He's
at
got
you?
mental issues.
Okay, well, what do you mean coming at you? Like, was he like making motions or what?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, gotcha.
That's why I had to put my arms up and blocked him. We started wrestling around anyway. He got on top of me, started punching me in the head and everything.
Is the screwdriver still here?
Or does I don't know.
Did he take it with him, or do you know?
I have no idea. I was trying to get the license plate, and then he kicked me in the side and in the back when I tried to get the license plate.
Okay.
Because this isn't the first time he's done this to me. You guys have police reports on it too.
Has he been drinking tonight?
Probably, yeah, a little. Yeah, he has.
Yeah, he's got a decent laceration in his right eye.
And this happened before, and I refused to press charges, and I should have went through with it,
Hey,
but I didn't. This happened and did it to
so
me.
how did this all start?
Over a TV remote that he took, because he's just
Did he used to live here?
got a mental problem. He
used
lives
to,
here.
Okay, was he taking it somewhere else or other?
I don't know, and he just went nuts.
Okay,
Man,
but you're for sure certain he had the what hand did he have the screwdriver in? Do you know his right hand?
Yeah.
Okay,
'Cause
right.
He hit. I don't know. You know, it's happened so fast.
Okay.
It's my son. You know.
Right, I understand.
Right.
But he had it in his right hand.
He just held a screwdriver.
Okay, but you said he came at you with the screwdriver, like he was advancing towards you with the.
Yeah.
Okay, were you afraid that he was gonna stab you with the
Well,
screwdriver?
yeah. That's why I had to try to do something. You know, I didn't know if he was going to stab me with it or not. And I would
Right.
hope not.
No,
But then when I was trying to hold his arm, and he just kept punching me in the side of the head.
Gotcha.
Thank you, my friend.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm alright, how you doing? I want to see your hand real quick. So what's going on, man?
My dad just got into it with me. He's drunk, started hitting me and shit. So I wanted to leave, man, because he's fucking hitting me and blaming shit on me.
Okay, you been drinking too tonight?
No.
Okay, alright. But if I have you step out real quick, you don't have any weapons on you, dude?
No, I ain't got nothing, man.
Okay, alright.
I was just trying
Face this way, I just want to search you real quick. Face this way, just make sure.
Yeah,
Put your hands behind your back. Alright? So make sure you don't have any weapons, and I want to get your side of the story, and I want to get Dad's side. Alright, step this way. Alright, so what's going on? I'm not going to put you in cuffs because I want to talk to you. Get your side.
Yeah, my dad was threatening me. Okay, there's something wrong at home, okay? I tried helping him with it, and he just started accusing me. My father started accusing me of his TV, okay? I tried helping him with it.
What's wrong with the TV, real quick?
It's password, Amazon, Roku,
So he was
stuff.
having trouble with that. Alright, then what happened?
What happened?
Yeah, tonight.
Yeah, then he started throwing plates and silverware and stuff at me. And I'm not going to deal with that. I'm not going to sit at home and have my father try to wreck me, man, you know?
Okay, and then what happened?
And then I started telling him, look, I'm trying to do everything I can, man, to help you out, man. And it ain't never enough, man. It just ain't never enough.
Okay.
So I tried leaving, and then he still starts
So you didn't hit
throwing
him at
stuff
all
at
or
me.
anything
Nope,
like
I didn't do nothing, man.
Did you come at him with a screwdriver?
Nope,
Did you ever put your hands on him tonight?
no, I didn't.
Did he put his hands on you?
Yes, he put his hands on me.
How?
Ow.
Yes.
He started grabbing me, choking me and shit, man.
So when did this happen? You just said he started throwing stuff at you, and then you got in your car and left. So what? Tell me. Start over. What happened? So you guys got an argument over TV?
Yeah, over the TV.
Mm-hmm.
Then he started choking me and started throwing stuff at me. So that's when I tried to leave. And then he said, "Oh no, you ain't going nowhere, man.
Okay,
You
where
ain't
did this
going
all
nowhere."
happen in the house?
This all happened today.
I'm saying where at did it happen? Did it happen inside the house, outside the house?
Inside the house.
Where at?
7 a.m.
The son repeatedly insisted that he was the victim, claiming his father had attacked him during the argument. He denied ever threatening his father with a screwdriver or putting his hands on him, offering a very different version of the events that had unfolded inside the home. But as officers spoke with him, they began to suspect he may have been under the influence and decided to conduct a series of field sobriety tests.
One of the first questions I asked you was how much you had to drink, right? And you told me nothing.
Nothing.
Oh, yeah, well, how come I can smell it from it?
I don't have it.
So, alright, here's what I want to do, man. I'm going to have you get out real quick,
Yeah.
and I'm just going to make sure you're okay to drive, alright? I'm going to put you through a few tasks, okay?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, let's step out. Okay. So, what I want you to do is keep your head still, the palm on the top of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. For the next task, I'm going to have you scoot back a little bit so you have some room. Okay. Back a little more. Back a little more. Okay. Now, I want you to stand for this task, alright? Alright. I want you to take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot like this,
Yep.
change to your side so if you can get in that position, stay in that position until I tell you to move.
Yep, I
You
got you.
understand?
Yep,
Okay.
I understand.
Okay. Alright. The next task we're going to have to do is called the heel to toe. Okay. So what you're going to do is, once I tell you to start, you're going to take 9 steps down, take a series of small mini steps, and then 9 steps back. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want you to stop until you finish. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to demonstrate right now for you. Okay. So how you're going to do it is, once you start, you're going to be looking down, you're going to count out loud. Okay. For this demonstration, I'm going to give you 3 steps instead of 9. Okay. Alright. So you're going to count down 1, 2, 3. And it's like once you get to 9, take a series of small mini steps. Keep going back the other way. Okay.
I understand.
So. That's what, so you understand. You're going to take 9 the toe steps all the way down, count out loud. Okay. Series of mini steps, and then 9 back.
Each step.
So yes, you're counting out each step. Okay. I don't want you to start. I don't want you to stop until you finish. Do you understand?
Yeah, it's got 9.
Yep. Okay. So maybe again.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, I said take 9 steps back.
So
9 steps first and then back.
Let me explain it to you, okay? When he tells you to begin, he wants you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, okay? You're going to count every step out loud for every step. Please make sure your hands are down your side. Let me finish it, okay? All right, so it's going to look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. For demonstration purposes, I did 4. You will do 9, okay? Take 9 steps. Don't explain it. Turn around. Good. 1, 2, 3. All the way back. Stand up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back.
You may turn around. All right.
Okay.
So for the next task, I want you to put both feet together like this, hands to your side, and I want you to stay in that position until I tell you to move. Okay?
Just like this.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So for the next task, once I tell you to start, you can pick either which leg you want. Right? You lift that leg 6 inches off the ground, pointing the toe up, looking down. You're gonna count 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000 until I tell you to stop. Okay? For demonstration
Like
purposes,
this?
nope. I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
See, stand. I told you to stay in
All
that
right.
position until I tell you to start. So once I tell you to start, what you're gonna do is count, put your foot up like that, okay?
Okay.
I want you to keep it up.
Yep.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. While you're looking down at your toe until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes.
So, once I tell you to start, you're gonna lift your foot up, whichever foot it is. Lift your toe straight up, looking down. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
You understand?
I understand,
Right?
yep.
All right, you may begin.
Okay. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000, 16, 1,000, 17, 1,000, 18, 1,000, 19, 19, 1,000, 20, 1,000, 21, 1,000, 22, 1,000, 23, 1,000, 24, 1,000, 25,
You may
1,000.
stop. Okay.
Stop.
Put your foot down.
Yep.
All right, keep your hands to your side. I'll read you something, all right?
Yeah.
Okay. This Michigan law requires you to submit to a preliminary breath test upon the request of a peace officer, somebody like myself, okay? Your refusal to submit to such request shall result in you being charged with a civil infraction penalty up to $150 fine. Will you take a PBT?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you turn around, sir. Put
Yeah.
your hands behind your back. All right. You know, lock your hands like you're praying. come in front of my car. All right, as of right now, you're being placed because of the domestic with your dad. We're going to place on the rest for that, and then the OWI. Spread your feet. Spread them, spread them, spread them. Put your hands back. Put your hands back.
Yeah.
You can also handle them like you have.
After reviewing the statements, observing the evidence, and conducting field sobriety tests, officers ultimately determined there was probable cause to make an arrest. The son was taken into custody on allegations of domestic violence and operating while intoxicated. As with all cases, the allegations presented in this video are accusations, and all individuals are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.